Oh yeah! Check out these bad boys! Oh, a customer! We're here for the movie! You don't have any candy, do you? How very dare you!
He wouldn't dream of it.
We're candy-free! That's what I like to hear! Give me your tickets!
I can't resist. I just love candy.
What the… What is it?
Uh-oh.
We were so close! That's it! I know you've got candy! J'accuse! How did that get there? It's not what it looks like. Oh yeah? How about you?
Please don't!
I want all your candy!
Stop it! I'm afraid of heights! Stop shaking me! I feel violated. But he didn't get this candy! It's mine.
Oh no you don't!
You can't stop me!
That's it! Take that! Get out of here! Come on.
Just act innocent. He doesn't suspect a thing.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing.
Wait a minute. Let me have a closer look.
Uh-oh.
You have candy!
Hey! Let go!
I know what's in here.
Hello? Don't mind me. That was weird. Can we hurry this up?
I found it. Hey! Phew. I'll leave this ladder right here. Oh, the mommy's calling.
Hang on.
You're making sausages? I'm on my way!
I think I have an idea.
I finally got it! I don't want to see you again.
Coming through! I don't have all day!
Sorry. Go ahead. You're doing a great job. I need to stay alert.
I made it. I'll just set up this ladder. And I've got my candy. Mmm, delicious. This worked exactly as I planned. Hold on. I almost forgot about this mustache. Ow! I guess I don't need a wax. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
Ugh, I have something stuck in my teeth. Oh hey, how's it going? Well, I better get back to work. Huh? Where's my ladder? Wait. You went in there. What are you talking about? I must be losing my mind. I'm going home.
That is so funny! This is the best!
We look so happy. My little security family. Won't be long now. I'll have my own little security guard. Can life get any better? Oh, someone's coming. Wanna see something cute?
Ugh, this is so lame.
She's adorable, isn't she? Hang on. You're not paying attention. Hold still.
This thing's safe, right?
Sure. Why not? What the? I don't believe it.
This is awkward.
You need to go!
Hang on. That photo gives me an idea.
I love you so much. You're part of the family.
Get a room. Oh, a big bowl of candy. Okay, this might do. I'll need to tape it to my stomach. That's perfect. It's my little pregnant belly. Now it looks convincing. No one will ever know.
Huh?
There, little one.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh, it's actually working!
Let me help you.
What a great movie!
Hey lady, move! Come on, beat it! You can sit here. Just wait.
He's helpful.
I got you some water.
You're so kind.
You'll need these. One for you, and one for the bump. Happy viewing!
He's finally gone. I thought he'd never leave. Now I can enjoy this candy. All my favorites are here.
What a day! Oh, how are you feeling? Is something missing?
What are you talking about?
You preyed on my weakness! Get back here! Oh yeah. Bust a move. Shake it, baby. Pretend you didn't see that.
The bad dancing? Okay.
What do you want? Is that a chocolate bar? Not on my watch. Read the signs, lady.
Huh? What? Oh. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
You need to leave!
This seems a little over the top. I really wanted to see that movie. There must be a way. I think I've got it. Time to work on my acting skills. Work it, girl. I even have props. I could get used to this.
Whoa. She's like my dream woman!
Hey, wake up!
What? Huh? Whoa!
Open the curtain.
No problem. You don't have any candy, do you? Let me just check this. What's this? I hate candy! You're gone!
Excuse me? I've never been so insulted. What kind of establishment are you running here?
I'm doing my job.
I'm not finished. That's it. I'm gonna call my daddy. Hello, daddy?
Uh-oh.
It's terrible, daddy. Is that my phone? This might be a problem.
You should probably go now.
That sounds like a good idea. Ugh, that is so unfair. What? It's raining? Could this day get any worse? What now? Oh. Thanks.
It's my pleasure. You wanna catch a movie sometime?
Gee, let me think. So long, loser!
She's stolen my heart and my umbrella. Back again, huh? Come on. You're embarrassing yourself now.
I don't have any candy. See?
Starting to follow the rules, huh? Huh. Nothing there. I'm surprised. I suppose you can come in.
Whatever. I'm here at last. This movie better be worth it. I'm glad I've got this umbrella. It was so useful. I'll just open it up. And it's raining candy. This is so exciting! I don't mind this kind of rain. Woohoo! I want more! It's so colorful! I don't want this to end. I can't wait to see this movie. I've heard great things.
Well, well, well. There's some rules you need to follow. And I'm pretty serious about them. You don't have any contraband, do you?
Let me think. Oh yeah, my puppy. I totally forgot about him.
Obviously an animal lover. What's in the bag?
Stop it.
I never rest. Security is a 24/7 job. Candy is just junk.
That's all my things.
You should probably pick that up.
You could help me. I can't believe you did that. Oh no! My candy! I don't think he spotted it. I wonder if my doll is hungry. Wanna try it? I'll be right back.
Stop wasting my time.
La la la. Oh, hi.
Get out of here, kid.
You can search my bag.
Fine. But if there's candy in here, you're in trouble. What's this?
Oh, it's for my hair. It gives it a little bling. See? Shiny.
I'm so jealous.
It's totally working!
I suppose you can go in.
Thank you.
I can't wait for the movie to start.
It was hard work, but I'm finally in. I don't need this anymore. But I do need my hair gadget. Here it is. Let's try it out. Whoa! That is so cool! I'm gonna do it again. This is so much fun. Again! Again!
Huh? What's she doing?
It's like a rainbow in my hair. I feel so glamorous. Ooh, the movie's starting. Wow, this is good.
Did you see that?
Ah! I got a fright.
Huh? Look at her hair!
This is awesome!
I need to taste it. It looks so good.
What?
It tastes like cotton candy. I don't regret a thing.
I think I might move seats.
Some have dogs, but I prefer pet spiders. Just one, please. Can I bring my ball? My word! Ugh! What's with that girl?
Me?
Relax. Here's my ticket. Spider! It's gonna eat us all!
Seriously?
Is it poisonous? Ah! Get out of here!
Fine. Good boy. People are so weird. He left his ball. That's it. Woohoo! I'm so ready for this movie! Go, movies, go! I love movies, yes I do! I love movies, how about you? Uh-oh. Why don't you just go in? Think she heard that? So embarrassing. I can't believe that worked! You can come out now, Spidey! You're gonna love this movie. Ow! My thumb! Yes, I'm sure it hurts. Look, some candy will cheer you up. What is that? Chocolate? That's not allowed in the hospital. Come now, let's take a look at your thumb. Ugh, why won't this chair move? Remember me when I'm gone. I wish you could have had this candy. I wonder if I could somehow sneak it in. Just mopping the floors. Hey! What's that in your bucket? Take that out of here this instant! No, that wouldn't work. Maybe I could… Wow! Haha! Great moves! Wait. Stop right there. No candy allowed. Yeah, I guess that wouldn't work either. Wait! I think I've got it! How much money do I have? Hey, maybe you could just let me bring this in. Ooh, wow! That's a lot of cash! Hey! I didn't say you could go through! No, then I'd be broke too. I'm running out of ideas.
Yes? What is it? I'll be right there.
No way! I think you just handed me my solution! Hey! This is hospital approved! Ugh, it certainly smells like it. Take that away and go on in! Wow, what a smell! What are you looking at?
Hey! Look what I brought you! What? This smells terrible!
I know! That's how I snuck it in! You'll need a spoon. Trust me.
Hey! What is this? You brought me chocolate after all! Oh no! Hide it!
How are you feeling? Well enough to eat?
Oh my god! This is disgusting!
Ooh. Yeah, I don't blame you. I've, got other patients to check on. Now how are we gonna get that down?
Maybe I can reach it by jumping!
Stop! That's how you hurt your thumb in the first place! Just wait right here. I've got a solution. This broom handle should knock it free.
More to the left! No, your other left!
Okay, so that didn't work. Time for the ultimate move.
Ooh, my thumb! Hurry up!
What's going on over here? I'm just stretching. Staying fit keeps you healthy. What the… You did this, didn't you? 2, please.
Don't you mean 4?
Well, they are family. They're here to watch the movie. The movie's about dogs.
But they can't come in here. You can't say no to this face.
Aww.
Aw, watch me! Now go on, get out of here!
Whoa! Check out that crazy dress! Wait a second.
Enjoy the movie. Who's that? Move it along! Jeez.
2, please. Can I dance my way in?
You sure can! This job sure has its perks! Woohoo! Come on in, good sir! Wow, these guys are fun! That reminds me. Time for my hourly squats!
That was easy. Come on out, little guys. Like we'd leave them at home. There better be treats in this movie.
Is Mom around?
Nothing like a good book.
There must be a way to sneak by her. Ooh. Good afternoon, Mother. Nothing to see here.
Why is he being weird? Nice try. Now eat the broccoli.
Nah, that won't work. Think. Got it! Okay, Ducky. Let's do this.
Quack. Huh? Is that a duck?
Commando roll! Parkour! No fear, no mercy. Made it! Ha! Time for some TV.
You're just so cute.
Oh no.
You'll never escape the broccoli.
Emergency parkour! I wish I could do parkour, but that's a bad idea. Aha! I know! Hey, Mom. Wanna see a magic trick? And I'm gone!
Wow, that's impressive. Cozy.
That's it! I'm a genius! Okay, I need to strap this candy to me. I can't lose any. I think I'm ready. I think I have everything. Here goes.
So interesting.
I know this'll work. The amazing Leo will now disappear! Ah! Why is it dark? Help me! I'm scared!
Are you okay?
Whoa!
What are you doing?
I can explain.
Is that candy?
I promise it'll never happen again.
Mom, choose your weapon. Did you really think that would work?
Well, yeah, kinda. That book was awesome! Hope the movie's as good. Oh no! You know you can't come. Or can you? Let's see about that.
Just one, please.
Have I seen you before? This girl works out! I don't even have arms like that. Okay. Something's really fishy here. What's in here? A dog? You think you're slick, huh? Get out of here! Get out! Now! Enjoy! Hope I brought enough. Let's see. Do I want chocolate or chips? Wait! That's it! I just need the right container. Yeah! Sir? Whoa! Hello there. No pets, I see. That was awkward. Oh, Rufus? You can come out now, buddy.
Oh, he's so cute!
What's your sneakiest way to sneak candy? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.